Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. Blue color, yellow color. The next one is black color. Kids, now we use red color. The next one is yellow ochre color. Now we use green color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use blue color. Kids, now we draw the letter of A. A for apple, A for ant. We again use blue color and now we draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog and D for doll. Kids, now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color. E for egg. The next one is numbers. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. Kids, now we use black color and draw the number of 2. Black color. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. We again use black color and draw the number of 4. Kids, now we use again black color. The number of 5. Now we draw the number of 5. Kids, now we draw shapes. Black color. The shape of square. The next one is circle. Red color. The shape of circle. Now we draw triangle. Yellow ochre color. Kids, now we draw heart. Green color. The next one is a star. Blue color. Now we draw star. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.